This is a DIY SoundSync DJ lights project where LED will dance to the rhythm of the sound around them. Let's start by looking at the components you will need. An Arduino UNO, a sound sensor module, 10 LEDs of different colors, 10 to 20 ohm resistor, one large breadboard, some jumper wires, a USB cable. Before we jump into the connection, let's understand the key component of this project. The sound sensor. The sound sensor is a small module that can detect sound levels in the environment. It works by converting sound vibration into electrical signals, which are then read by the Arduino. The sensor we are using has 4 pins. D0 means digital pin, this plus sign is for VCC, G means ground pin and A0. For this project, we will be using the A0 pin, which provides a range of values based on the intensity of the sound. Now that we know about the sound sensor, let's move on to the connections. Here's the circuit diagram for the project. Let's go step by step to make the connection. Take the Arduino board, insert male to female jumper wires in the sound sensor. First, connect the VCC pin of the sound setter to the 5V pin of the Arduino. Then connect the GND pin of the sensor to the GND pin on the Arduino. Now take the A0 pin of the sound sensor and connect it to A0 on the Arduino. For the LEDs, take the breadboard. Make sure to connect the longer legs of each LED to one side and shorter legs to the other side. Connect the longer legs of each LED to the digital pin on the Arduino, starting from pin 2 up to pin 11. Connect the shorter legs that are negative pins of LED to the ground rail on the breadboard through a 220 ohm resistor. Don't forget to add resistor to each LED to limit the current and protect the LEDs. Finally, connect the GND pin or the Arduino to the ground rail on the breadboard. For the LEDs, we only need ground connection since they are powered by the Arduino pins. Now download the code file given in the description below. Open the code file in the Arduino IDE. First, we define the variables. Sound pin is the pin where the sound sensor analog output is connected. In our case, it's a A0. Next, we define an array called LED pins, which lists all the digital pins connected to the LEDs from pin 2 to pin 11. Finally, num LED is a constant to specify how many LEDs we are using, in this case 10. Next, we have the setup function. This runs only once when the Arduino is powered on or reset. Here we set the sound pin as an input to read data from the sound sensor. Then using for a loop, we initialize each LED pin as an output so we can control them later in the program. Now let's move on to the loop function. This is where the magic happens. This function runs continuously, allowing the lights to react to the sound in real time. First, we use the analog read function to read the sound level from the sensor. The value will range from 0, that means no sound, to 1023, which is maximum sound. Next, we map the sound level to a number of LEDs using the map function. This converts the sound values into a range from 0 to the number of LEDs we have, which is 10. Then we use another for loop to control the LEDs. If the LED index is less than the mapped sound value, we turn the LED on using digital write with a high signal. Otherwise, we turn it off by sending a low signal. Finally, we add a small delay of 50 milliseconds to ensure the readings are stable and smooth. And that's it. Now connect the Arduino UNO to your computer using the USB cable for uploading the code. Select port and board in the same menu and select Arduino UNO. Now click on the upload button. Alright, we have completed the wiring and coding. Now power the Arduino and finally look at that. The LEDs are dancing perfectly to the sound level. You can use this project for DJ setup, parties, or just to make your room more lively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching our tutorial.